In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export TikTok-ready vertical videos from Adobe Premiere Pro. We're going to keep this simple and reliable so your video looks sharp, uploads smoothly, and plays perfectly on mobile. Start by opening the export settings. In Premiere Pro, go to the File menu, choose Export, then Media. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use the standard export shortcut for your system. This brings up the Export or Media Settings window where all the important options live. For format, choose H.264. This creates an MP4 file, which is widely compatible and preferred by TikTok. H.264 strikes a great balance between quality and file size, so it's ideal for social platforms and quick uploads without sacrificing clarity. Next, set the frame size to 1080 by 1920. That's a vertical 9 by 16 aspect ratio, which fills the TikTok screen from top to bottom. If your preview shows black bars or looks sideways, it's usually a sign the source footage or sequence isn't vertical, but as long as this export size is correct, you're set for the platform. For frame rate, go with 30 frames per second for a clean, natural look. If your original footage was shot at a different frame rate, matching it can help maintain motion consistency. 60 frames per second can also work if you prefer a super smooth feel, but 30 is a safe default that keeps file sizes reasonable. Now let's talk bitrate, which controls how much data your video uses. For maximum clarity, choose constant bitrate at 30 megabits per second. This is great for detailed visuals, fast motion, or text overlays that need to stay crisp. If you want a smaller file, switch to variable bitrate with a single pass and set it in the 8 to 12 megabits per second range. Variable bitrate adapts to the content, saving space while preserving quality where it matters. Set the field order to progressive. This ensures clean, non-interlaced frames so edges and motion look smooth on mobile screens. Under the extra options, enable render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. These options help with color gradients, fine details, and any scaling, giving you a cleaner final render. Just note that they may add a bit of export time, which is normal. Finally, name your file clearly, choose a save location you can find easily, and hit export. That's it. You'll end up with a vertical MP4 tuned for TikTok that looks great and uploads without a hitch. If you follow these settings consistently, your exports will be fast, dependable, and ready to share every time.